Welcome back everyone. If you create content, this video is for you. Today we are looking at a platform that puts every AI creative tool in one place. It's called OpenArt. Before we begin, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's get into it. This video is for educational and informational purpose only. It is not financial or investment advice for any kind. Always do your oldest before using any platform. OpenArt is an all-in-one AI creator studio. Create images, videos, characters, audio, and full stories all from one dashboard. No multiple apps, no multiple subscription, everything in one place. Now I will explain how can you register your account. Process is very simple. Getting started is quick and free. You can sign up using Google, Discord, and Twitter with one click, or simply register with your email and password. Put the email and put a strong password. That's it. You are in. Here you can also check out its different features. So Weber's OpenArt gives you a complete creative toolkit. You can generate images from text to turn images into cinematic videos, lip synchronization, and immerse characters with your audio, motion synchronization, match movements from a reference video. And you can also check out that VFX lets you replace backgrounds and the light scenes. Smart Shot builds a storyboard and video from one prompt. Multi-view gives you 9 camera angles from a single image. You can also create music, voiceovers, custom characters, and full walled environment. OpenArt runs on the walls top AI models. You can check out it provides you Google Duo, Clint 3.0, Omniscience 2.0, Nano Banana Pro, and ChatGPT Image 2, all of them inside the one platform. So here you can also check out the subscription plans. OpenArt offers you 4 plans. And you can also check out all come with 50% off. Then build annually. Essential is $7 per month. So great for the beginners. 4,000 credits up to 4,000 images and 50 videos. Second one is advanced with $14.50 per month. Bit for scaling up. 12,000 credits up to 12,000 images, 150 videos, and our 2-minute directed video. And the third one is infinite, $28 per month. The most popular plan, 24,000 credit up to 24,000 images, 300 videos, and 4 minutes of directed video. And the next one is Wonder, $120 per month. Maximum output, best value, 106,000 credit up to 106,000 images, 1,300 videos, and 17 minutes of directed video. Runtime. So now I will explain who is it for viewers. OpenArt is it for content creators, digital artists, video editors, and storytellers. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, there is a plan for you. The interface is clean, simple, and easy to use from day one. Now I will explain how can you create content. Shubibus, this is the dashboard of the OpenArt. Now I will create a new image. Here you can check out on the left side we have our main menu. Under the create section, the image option is selected. In the middle of the screen you can see the active AI model named Nano Banana 2. Right now below the model's selection there is a prompt box. Here you can see there we can type a simple text description of what we want to see. So here I will put my prompt. So you can see this is my prompt, and after putting the prompt, we can also upload a picture as a visual reference, but it's optional. And here you can also check out that we can customize it output. So here we will check out it. So I am going to select the aspect ratio 16:9. The resolution options are different, 1K, 2K, and 4K. So I am going to select 1K. You can increase the number of images, and after setting all this, we will click on generate. Once our prompt is ready, we will just click the generate button at the bottom to create our artwork. So here we will click on generate. Because our required images have been generated, The generated images look amazingly and highly professional. The details are sharp and the colors are beautifully vibrant. It is impressive how accurately the AI turned the text prompt into stunning artwork. Weaver's AI creative tools are moving fast. OpenArt brings all of them together in one place at one price. If you want to level up your content, this platform is worth exploit. Visit the official website through the link in the description. Start free and upgrade when you are ready. If this video helped you, like it, comment and share it with a fellow creator. Until next time, keep creating and I will see you in the next one. Take care, bye.